Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Yacht Vacation Venice Beach. It's a none-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Featuring air-conditioned accommodations with a balcony, Yacht Vacation Venice Beach is located in Venice. This beachfront property has a terrace. The vacation home is fitted with one bedroom, one bathroom, bed linen, towels, a flat-screen TV, a dining area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a patio with lake views. Caspersen Beach is 1.2 miles from the vacation home, while Venice Beach is 1.7 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Sarasota Bradenton International Airport, 23 miles from Yacht Vacation Venice Beach. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.